Imagine losing weight fast and cleansing toxins from your body with just one drink. Sounds too good to be true? Today we're going to share a 100% natural anti-inflammatory drink that can help you achieve just that. Stick around to learn about the ingredients and how to make this powerful drink at home. If you find this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Let's get straight to it. The secret to this drink lies in its natural ingredients, each with powerful anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. We'll be using turmeric, ginger, lemon, honey, and cayenne pepper. These ingredients work together to reduce inflammation, boost your metabolism, and help your body eliminate toxins. Turmeric is the star ingredient. Its active compound, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is often linked to weight gain and difficulty losing weight. It also supports liver function, which is crucial for detoxification. Ginger is another powerhouse ingredient. It not only aids digestion, but also has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger helps boost your metabolism, allowing you to burn calories more efficiently. It also helps reduce bloating and can make you feel more comfortable in your body. Lemon adds a refreshing flavor to the drink and is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemons help detoxify the liver and support the immune system. They also promote hydration and improve digestion, making it easier for your body to flush out toxins and absorb nutrients. Honey is not just a natural sweetener, it also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Honey helps soothe the digestive system and supports overall health. It also provides a natural energy boost, which can help you stay active and burn more calories throughout the day. Cayenne pepper is the final ingredient in this powerful drink. It contains capsaicin, which boosts metabolism and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Cayenne pepper also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce hunger, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Now let's put it all together. Here's how you make this natural anti-inflammatory drink. Start with a glass of warm water. Warm water helps the body absorb the ingredients more effectively and is easier on the digestive system. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Make sure to stir well, as turmeric can settle at the bottom. Grate a small piece of fresh ginger and add it to the water. If you prefer, you can use half a teaspoon of ginger powder instead. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the mixture. Fresh lemon juice is best, but bottled juice will also work if that's what you have. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Stir until it's fully dissolved. Finally, add a pinch of cayenne pepper. A little goes a long way, so start with a small amount and adjust to taste. Blend everything together and your drink is ready. For the best results, drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This will kickstart your metabolism for the day and help your body flush out toxins right from the start. Drinking this natural anti-inflammatory beverage daily can help you lose weight faster and improve your overall health. Remember, consistency is key. Pair this drink with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. This drink is not only effective but also easy to make and incorporate into your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell and leave a comment below to let us know how this drink works for you. Here's to a healthier, slimmer, and toxin-free you.